One of the biggest questions that I usually get from the aspiring social media manager is about how should I create a portfolio? I'm not having any clients right now. Understand this thing, to create a portfolio, you don't need client. The purpose of a portfolio is like whosoever would be connecting with you, your future client, they literally want to see whether you're a right person who can help them out in terms of growing their Instagram or any social media platform that you're offering. So in this video, I'll be sharing the exact roadmap how you can create your portfolio from the scratch so that whenever you're going on a sales call, you can look more professional and more authoritative. See, first of all, think your portfolio like a resume where your client want to see your knowledge, whether you are the right person or not, right? So whenever your client is asking you about this thing, please show your work. You just have to do the same thing. In your portfolio, you have to display your work. So that's what the portfolio is all about. And understand this thing, your portfolio is an answer to all the questions that client is looking for. Now visually you would be representing everything in your portfolio. How you would be doing that thing, this is something we would be discovering in this whole video. But keep this thing in your mind, your portfolio is just about your work that you need to display. And before designing your portfolio, the most important thing that you need to take care of is your niche. Like in which industry you are looking to work with. It's very important to have a specific niche at the initial stage. So whenever you are going on a sales call, your portfolio would going to answer each and everything that your target client is looking for. For example, if you're looking to work with a fitness coach, right? Now design your portfolio towards the same. So whenever you are going on a call, you would be displaying the content, the caption, the stories, everything towards the same. And now client would feel, oh, this is what I'm needing, right? So you don't have to customize the thing over a call and it becomes very easy to sell. So before getting into the designing part of your portfolio, first of all, choose the industry, choose the specific niche in which you are looking to work with. You can choose real estate, fitness industry, yoga trainers, coaches, consultant, e-commerce, or cafes, restaurant, whatsoever excites you. That is something you have to choose as your industry in the initial stage. Because again, think you have to work with that person every single day. That's how social media management job looks like. So pick the industry as per your interest. Don't be like, okay, this is something that's been trending in the market, I should go for the same. No. So once you are done with the niche part, now you would be creating the work samples towards the same. That would be reflecting your work. First of all, you have to add on something towards the visual part. Jahan pe you would be adding your Instagram reels, your carousels, your static, all these designs so that your client can have an understanding, okay, whenever you would be working on their profile, how the visual graphics would look like. See, the most important part of a social media management is the visual area, right? It's very important to add on those things over there in your portfolio. This is something that would be reflecting your creativity. Once you are done with your visual part, then you would be moving to the next one. And please remember this thing, whenever you are reflecting your visual part as well, try to be more informative in your portfolio. For example, if you are including or if you are just displaying a reel, okay, don't just put the reel, put over there, okay, this is the hook, this is our subtitles. Same goes when it comes to presenting the carousel. For example, when it comes to the carousel designing, you just have to use 4 to 5 words on the first page. Showcase that thing as well, right? This is something that would be reflecting about your knowledge. Again, when it comes to working with the premium client, these things matter a lot. Client is not hiring you for the posting part. They literally want to see what kind of knowledge you have and what results you can bring while working with them on their profile. Now, once you are done with the visual part, then you would be moving to the next part, that is your caption, where you would be displaying the writing part. See, the client has hired a social media manager, not just the graphic designer, right? So they want to see about your writing style as well. So do include few samples regarding your caption writing, and whenever you would be displaying your captions, just highlight this is the hook, this is the call to action, this is the main content. When you would be putting all of this, this is something that would be reflecting you are a strategic thinker. You know your work. You are not just a social media manager who knows about posting, right? You are someone who is having a good amount of experience. Might be you would be a beginner, but when you would be reflecting all of this, this is something that will make you stand out in the market. After this, you would be adding a content planner in your portfolio. So if I'll talk about the content planner, so in your niche, you have chosen the industry that you want to work with, the fitness industry, right? So in your content planner, you would be creating a 7-week content, okay, 1-week content planner towards the same, where you would be reflecting ki these are the content ideas, these are the execution part, the reels that you have designed, the graphics that you have designed, the caption that you have written. And this content planner will make you stand out again. Why? Because this is something that will reflect you are a person who remains organized. You plan the things. And if I'll talk about working with premium clients, they literally want to work with a marketer who can save their time. So that's something you need to reflect while working with them. And then talks about the process, like how you work with the client. For example, if I'll talk about me, so there is a ICP sheet I always send to the client. So that is something I show, okay, this is something that you need to fill. That's called ideal client profile, so that we can understand in details about your target audience. So tell them ki, okay, this is the post that we have created as per the pain problem your target audience is facing, right? This is the desired state they are looking for. When you talk like this on a sales call while representing your portfolio, this is something that can make that person aligned with your vision, and again you can easily close the sale. So your portfolio should reflect all of this, ki how your strategy process looks like. You can just define it in a structure. For example, for us it's like ICP, ideal client profile, avatar. This is something that we go for, and this is our ASA system that we follow while working with the client. So this is what we reflect in our portfolio. Step 6 that you need to focus on, add some client feedbacks and testimonial. Over here you can just work with the beta clients. If I'll talk about beta clients, over here you would be doing a barter system where you would be planning the content free of cost, and in exchange you would be receiving their testimonials or written feedback. And at least you need to have 3 feedback into the similar industry that you have chosen, and this is something that will be building your credibility. So when it comes to adding the client result, you can add written feedback, client testimonials, or before and after results in terms of their profile, what kind of engagement they were getting earlier, and after working with you, what kind of engagement they have started getting. So all of this is something that you can add on into your portfolio. Don't forget to add about me section, because again that person wants to work with you. So your about me section should reflect something different about your work ethics, about your vision, or why that person should work with you rather than any other social media manager. Please don't add the simple things like I have graduated from this college, this is from where I did the school. What they actually care is what you can bring on the table when it comes to their business, right? That is something you need to portray in your about me section, about your personality. If you're enjoying this video till now, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. The last and most important, at the end, provide your contact details so that the person can connect with you, whether it's the WhatsApp or the email. If you're having a website, you can just put the link regarding the same. Again, website is not important, but if you're having, then you can just put the same link in your portfolio. Otherwise, with the email and WhatsApp, you're good to go. So this is how you would be creating your whole portfolio, and use a simple tool, that is Canva. On Canva, you can find a lot of templates, as you can see over here on my screen. So you can choose any template that resonates with your personality and start editing as per the same things that I have covered in this particular video. Most important tip, keep your portfolio updated. Whenever you're working with any new client, just add the testimonials and feedbacks, the work experience into your portfolio, because there's a lot of time when we are just managing a lot of clients, we just forget to update our portfolio. I'm telling you, at whatever stage you are, your portfolio matters a lot. Keep your portfolio updated, fresh, so that whosoever is reaching out to you, you can easily share that thing any point of time. Also, don't put a lot of stuff in your portfolio. For example, if you have already worked with 10 clients, don't put all the client story over there. No, just put 4 to 5 clients max I'm talking about. Otherwise 3 clients are fine in terms of showcasing their work. So that is something you have to do. You have to replace the old content with the new one rather than just adding the new one. See, remember this thing, client is not expecting you to work with 100 brands. What client is looking for, whether you are the right person who can help them out in terms of like growing their social media and growing their business. If that is something you are delivering through your portfolio, I'm telling you, whether you are a beginner or whether you are someone who is having good amount of experience, doesn't matter. You can easily close the client as a beginner as well. Just follow all these steps that I have covered in this video. If you found this video valuable, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also in the description, you would be finding the portfolio template that I'm using. The same template you can use for yourself. So please don't forget to check that thing in the description box.